Yes, you can now earn money by creating artwork using AI. How will we do this? Well, we generate AI images and sell them on platforms like Adobe Stock, Getty Images, or Freepik. Whenever a user likes and downloads your generated images, you'll earn money with each download. So without taking up much of your time, let's get started. We will do this work with the help of Stock, where we can sell AI-generated images effortlessly. Whenever a user admires your art and decides to download it, you will receive a commission for every sale made. This platform allows to sell our creations on major marketplaces such as Adobe Stock, Getty Images, Freepik, and more. Let's kick things off by signing in with our Google account. Now that we're in the dashboard, we need to generate AI art to sell. You'll find the AI image generator located on the right side of the window. This tool will help us create captivating artwork to showcase and sell on this platform. Here, you'll find a variety of filters to generate images. You have the freedom to create images in any style you desire. Nowadays, people are particularly fond of cinematic photos. Additionally, you can upload your own style image, and the AI will take inspiration from it. Let's type our prompt and create a masterpiece. You can choose the image ratio that suits your needs, ensuring it looks great on any platform. Once you've selected the filter, simply hit Generate, and the AI will bring our imagination to life. We've got our amazing result, exactly as we imagined. I'll pin some prompts in the description or comment section for your reference. Sorry for interrupting, but I just wanted to say, please subscribe to my channel so that I can continue making videos like this for you. Now, let's continue. Now, let's get ready to sell this art. To do so, we need to follow this process. Firstly, let's select some challenges because Stock organizes these daily challenges and winners receive hefty prizes. Here's the list of marketplaces where our art will be published. You can edit and choose which marketplaces you'd like to publish your AI art on. After that, click on Post and our image will be posted in just a few minutes. Before it gets posted, let's create one more image to ensure clarity. As mentioned earlier, you can use whichever filter you prefer. There are dozens of them available. Let's generate a futuristic spaceship. Here we go. Doesn't it look like a futuristic AI spaceship? It's incredible how beautifully this AI generates images. Following the same process, you can upload it. Now, we can see our recently generated images appearing here. We'll start earning from these images very soon. You can view the details, including the published time and date. It will go live once it's reviewed. Another fantastic aspect of this platform is that we can upload AI art generated from other image generators. If you recall, we created this image in our recent video. After uploading, you'll need to provide a description of the image, simply typing what's in it, selecting the date and city, and we're good to go. All three of our AI art pieces are uploaded, and we'll be earning from these very soon. Generating income is easy. You just have to be a prompt expert to create quality images. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It really motivates me to continue making videos.